Brand new ECM. Pinned out harness from vehicle. All powers and grounds are good. Key on power good. Constant power good. Ohmed out grounds, those are good. Pinned out engine harness. Ohmed it out from the 10 pin electrical plug for the injector harness. Ohmed it out from there to there. All injector wires are good. Replaced the injector harness. Goes to the back of the cylinder head back there. Plugged everything back in. Still the same problem. Get codes for, I believe it's code 61. And then the descriptions I would get would be all the injectors are shorted to ground. Basically short circuit codes. That's what I would get. Unplugged injector number 2. Started with 1, unplugged 1, left all the other ones hooked up, cranked the truck, nothing. Plugged 1 back in, unplugged 2, cranked the truck, and let's see what it does. Injector number 2 shorted out, and it's causing all the other injectors to basically short out in that circuit. So I plug this thing back in. All right, let's plug it back in. So now all 6 are plugged in. Crank it. Just cranks and cranks and cranks. Injector number 2 shorted.